use a chair? Oh, look at that. That's not just one chair. Because down over there, there's another chair. Oh man, I could set up a furniture house. It's gone. It's getting out. Go, 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 go. Go. Chase him, man. Where'd he go? I didn't go for a long bike ride. I went to do a small chat. I'm like a Heinz 52 ketchup bottle. You know what that means? Or a WD-40 spray can. It took me forever just to do a 37-second skit scene. That's what it felt like. And it's cold. I don't want to... I had my fun today. I'm going to get on out of here. And I'll catch you on many other days. See ya.